Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a name change in your passport after marriage. First, gather your essential documents, including your original marriage certificate and current passport. Next, determine the specific application type required by your passport authority. Some countries offer an endorsement, while others require a new passport. Finally, accurately complete the official application form, providing all necessary details to avoid processing delays. To successfully change your name, you will need several key documents. Your original marriage certificate is crucial, serving as primary legal proof of your name change. Submit your current passport along with clear copies of its first and last pages. Additionally, include 2 recent passport-sized photographs meeting specified dimensions and background requirements. Finally, provide a valid proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement, to confirm your current residence. The application process involves a few straightforward steps. Begin by scheduling an appointment at your nearest passport service center, embassy, or consulate. During your appointment, submit your fully completed application form and all required supporting documents. Be prepared to pay the applicable processing fee, typically ranging from $25 to $50, at submission. Once approved, you will be notified to collect your new passport, usually within 3 to 6 weeks. Understanding the fees and timeline is important for planning. Standard application fees for a name change typically range from $25 to $50, depending on your country's regulations. Expedited processing is often available for an additional fee, usually around $20 or more, if you need your passport sooner. Generally, expect processing times to be between 3 and 6 weeks for standard service. Allow extra time for postal applications or international submissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.